The first question I have is, how do I regain my self-identity after losing my self-esteem and self-confidence? Well, it's important to understand that when you try to regain your identity to going back to your old self that was great, you have to understand that you can't go back to the person in the past because you have learned a lot and you have gone through a lot in your life that will make you become a better person, which means you don't want to go back to the old person that was great in the past, but you want to become an even better person in the future. And that is what you want. Okay? Because as a human being, we need to learn and grow, which means when you grow, that means you have to become a stronger and better person in the future and not going to your back to your old self. So no matter how great your old identity was, you can't go back to it. You can learn from it, but you want to be even a better person, a better version of yourself in the future. Build a better self-identity in the future. And that is what you want. Okay? Because you learn a lot throughout your life. Okay? You learn from past experiences. You went through a lot to learn about yourself. You can use those past experiences to learn to become a better version of yourself in the future, but not going back to your old self. And that is what you want. Okay? You always understand that you want to learn how to build a better version of yourself. Okay? Better identity of yourself. And that is important to understand. You want to use your past experiences, your negative experiences to learn where you can improve. And you want to see where your positive experience are, so where you can become stronger. Use them to become stronger so you can form a new, better identity. And that is what you want. Okay? You want to come out stronger. Even though in the past was great, but don't you want to become a stronger person, a better person in the future with a new identity? So in this case, you want to use your past experiences as a way to motivate yourself to become better, stronger, so your new identity will be even better. And that is what you want. Okay? So in this case, if you feel like you're lack of self-confidence and lack of self-esteem at the moment, okay, then learn how to rebuild your self-esteem and self-confidence. And in this case, no matter what you want to learn, you can learn it to become successful. With today's internet and the advanced technology, no matter what you want to learn, you can learn successfully. Okay? So whatever you think you lack at the moment, then you can learn to achieve it to become successful. Okay? So if you lack self-esteem, self-confidence, learn how to rebuild that. Learn how to understand yourself more. Okay? Go through a personal development journey to understand yourself so you can discover new things about yourself to form a better identity. Learn more about life. Okay, what is life consist of? So you can form an identity that fit to your ideal lifestyle. Okay, because your life is a representation of who you are. Okay, so if you want a great life, then you want to make sure you are a great person with the knowledge and skill to help you build that self-identity, to help you build that lifestyle that you want through your identity. Okay? So whatever you need to learn to improve, take the time to learn and to learn more about yourself, but most important to understand again, you are building a new identity. You are building a new and stronger identity. And that is what you want. Okay? No matter how great the past is, you can become a greater person. You can become a stronger person. Your self-identity can be stronger and better. And that is what you want. Okay? Good. Like again, you don't want to be stuck in the past. The past is the past. And if you want to go back to your old self-identity, then you are living in the past. But you want to live in the future and you want to build something better for yourself in the future. And that is called building a new self-identity. And that is what you want as a human being. Okay? So that's how you develop to build a new self-identity. Okay? A stronger version of yourself, a stronger person of yourself. And that is the key.